tell you, we've had a great day here in Puerto Rico, and this is one of the fine... Hey, wait a minute. What's going on out there? Hey, you. What are you doing there? Wait a minute, are you drinking while my show's on?
You know a better time? Of course I'm not drinking.
What was that?
An opinion.
Tell me, Mosshead, what's in that jug?
In Puerto Rico, the rum center of the world, and he asked me what's in the jug.
Well, what's in it?
Tomato paste. I'm making a pizza.
That's quite an outfit you're wearing.
Oh, I'm the Rum King of Puerto Rico.
Well, I didn't think you were sober when you bought it. So you're the Rum King down here.
Oh, rum is the big drink down here, Hope. With all kinds of rum. We got pips, pints. Everybody drinks it. I've been drinking rum every day of my life. Rum, rum, and more rum. And it hasn't affected me.
Well, that's fine. And now we'll be seeing you.
Hasta la vista.